Hello my beautiful love bugs, and welcome back to Giver M's channel, where we do all things self-care and routines and all things nice in this channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are going to be doing something very different. So welcome to my kitchen, which is something I actually consider as my humble abode, where I create all things that make my skin look glowy, make me look younger, make me feel smoother. And believe it or not, all these things you can find in your kitchen. And we're going to be doing that today. And I'm going to be showing you 4 different items that you can find in your kitchen. And you can look like 10 years younger and literally reverse your age. If you're interested in this video, please stick around right until the end. And remember to please subscribe, comment down below, hit like and share the video. And let's get right into this vid. I usually just go to Westpac to get little containers where I can keep my beautiful products for my beautiful routines, and it really is reasonable, guys. So if you want to use these, you can use the Snappy product. They are a bit on the pricey side, but they really are good quality, and it keeps my products nicely, tightly closed in the fridge or in the cupboard or wherever you're storing your products. Of course, you always want to make sure that you are cleaning these empty containers, whether it's reused, whether it's brand new. Clean it out, because we don't want any bacteria on the product that you are going to be making from scratch. Now, if you're not using the turmeric soap for your face, I don't know what you're doing. For your face, we're making a turmeric soap that helps brighten and even out your tone. We need a small bar of pure soap, which is unscented. You need a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of lemon juice. You just melt the soap in the microwave and mix the turmeric and honey and lemon, and you make sure that everything is nicely mixed. I just pop it into the fridge so that it molds and let it harden. And then you use it on your face just to brighten your complexion. It brightens and evens out skin tone. Turmeric reduces inflammation and fights acne, and honey, of course, moisturizes and heals, while lemon acts as a natural astringent. First up, we have a brown sugar lip scrub. This will leave your lips soft, smooth, and kissable. Ingredients are 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delicious scent, and a few drops of olive oil for extra hydration. The benefits of this is that it exfoliates dead skin, hydrates and nourishes, and leaves your lips soft and smooth. One of my ultimate favorites that I've been using for years. We are going to be making the bicarb body scrub, which is perfect for exfoliating your body and getting that smooth, soft skin. All we need for this product is a good scoop of some Vaseline. You will also require your clear glycerine and of course your bicarbonate of soda. All you need to do is mix everything into a thick paste, apply the scrub to your body, and you know what? You'll feel the difference instantly. This gently exfoliates dead skin, softens and smooths rough patches. Now for the star of the show, the flax seed mask. This girl is the girl who she says that she is. I cannot go a week without doing once or twice masking with this mask, and it's like having Botox at home, guys, in the comfort of your own bathroom. When I say this thing works, it works. All you need to do is boil some water, put it on the pot, let it boil for at least 3 minutes because we don't want to take away all the ingredients, and you will wait until it gets this gooey substance. When I say gooey, you'll see in a bit. And then you just transfer it into your clean container, keep it in the fridge for at least 10 days or so, and you mask up and you glow up and you get your Botox. There's that goo. See that goo? That's the goo that I'm talking about. That's the goo that we need. That is the goo that is going to give you that Botox. Girl, the best. You're just going to drain it out and put it into a bigger container and then transfer it into the container that is going to keep it for your 10-day usage. I like to squeeze in just a little bit of lemon just to get that extra glow into my mask. And we all know who can go wrong with magnolia oil. Who can go wrong with this oil? You know, Bramley, if I find you, you are gonna partner with me. I'd just add about 4 or 5 droplets of that and a little bit of honey as well for that extra glow. And this is all a mask, guys. But anyway, stick around for the actual routine. And so there you have it, love bugs. I've created 4 DIY products for you to try out by making it as simply as just opening your cupboards, opening your fridges, opening your bathroom cabinets, and making something that will last you for a good couple of weeks, if not months. Please, can I just put a disclaimer out there that these products are solely based on what works for me. If you do try these products, please also always do some skin graft testing and make sure that you don't have any allergic reactions to them, because you never know, what works for me might not work for you, and I do not want to put you in that kind of predicament. And then once you have tried all of these products, please come back and let me know that these products have worked for you, what your journey was, and we can share different notes as to how we can improve, or how, you know, we can stay away or continue with those products. So there you have it. We've got the flax seed mask, which is looking fantastic. It is nice and ready to go into the fridge. I'm going to be keeping this in the fridge for about 10 days, maximum 10 days, and it's going to be popped into the fridge. I also have my favorite, or one of my favorites. It is my soap. This is going to be used for my face, my turmeric soap. I can't wait. I just simply cannot wait. I think, you know, sometimes we overspend so much on products without being a little bit creative. Then I've got my it smells so good. It smells nice because I put the vanilla extract in it. Then we've got the brown sugar scrub for the lips. This is very effective. And lastly, we have the bicarb body scrub for glow, for that summer glow. And those are all of our products. I'm so excited. That is it for this video, guys. I'm so glad that I was able to share my secrets of beauty tips as to how I do my natural remedies at home. DIY, very simple. The only difficulty is doing the cleaning, which I'm not looking forward to. But other than that, these products last me for a good couple of weeks, and they do wonders to my skin, and I'm just happy about that. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these products. Have they worked for you? And there is a snag. If you want to see how you use these products, please carry on watching Vlogtober 2024, because there's definitely a video coming through for each and every one of these as to how you can use each product effectively so that it is not gone to waste. So effective step-by-step routines as to how we can use these products so that you can get your glowing skin, reverse that, and just feel fabulous. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, hit like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye, love bugs.